girl do a good deed and take it back and you have pitney too. Tell me, Ivany. You do a good deed for your child, for the woman's son. The little boy have sickle cell. Sickle cell the little boy have. Right? And you do a good deed. So when you come back now, I come tell people, say, I scam me, I scam. Eh? Hey, you see your blood clot mouth, you look a body blood clot lip. Come in now, watch no video, you know, I just come to tell you my mind, you know. You see your body blood clot lip where you have. Eh? You see your body blood clot lip, Ivany, where your mouth kin up like a cow pussy. You see your body blood clot lip, your mouth kin up like a cow blood clot pussy. Your mouth look like when cow pussy blister. I saw your blood clot mouth look. Your lip look like when cow pussy blister. Go suck your blood clot mother. Blood clot mother wicked girl, yeah? You do your depend people blood clot don't fault. You understand me? I'm gonna rate you for blood clot that. And you can't come here so come class no blood clot body because your pussy stink. And you see one come out here so come talk about it. Remember me tell you. All when you don't want to talk about me and class me no. Too pretty never good. Always know that. Anything too blood clot pretty never good. Yeah. Big thinking old girl. Where body man fuck you. Your mouth don't out no blood clot. Your throat back done no blood clot. Yeah. Go suck your mother. Moderate. Go suck your mother. Moderate. Big stinking old girl. Are you there on Instagram and stretch out a fuck? Remember see you have two body man a fuck one time. Young girl like you, Ivany, a two body man a fuck you one time in a room with ecstasy. You never see it. When you up and eat your blood clot pill. Shit up your mouth, blood clot, shit up. Shit up all blood clot, stinking Vanya, you me a chat. And when you yam steak and me and yam mackerel, ma alright. And when you yam lobster, and me and yam chicken back my good. And yam me and yam I eat, I survive me a blood clot. Eat me and eat, I survive me a blood clot survive. Come out here, sir, and you make sure say you grill blood clot people. You see me? You make sure say you dip on people blood clot neck. Just because you want to pay your blood clot bills. Go suck your mother. Don't live on blood clot me. Don't live on blood clot me. Me not tell if you go take up a big blood clot house where you can't bumble clot manage. Because every man fuck you no want you. Fuck you no want you, bitch. Look on you. You do blood clot body and your pussy you should have blood clot do. You waste money you do body. You should have do your pussy. You should have make the doctor find out the fault for your big stinking hole. That you should have blood clot do. Yeah. Now tell me about stop. Don't tell me about stop when dirty stinking girl take a from me. Send the blood clot CDA. Call the police where you want call for me dirty girl. You can't tell me say that they look at something that happen. And this big thinking girl take a set for me so. Call the blood clot police. Send for them. Make your phone call and call blood clot CDA. Yeah, you come for me blood clot phone, give up my number. No, you go tell me say done. Blood clot stinking troops them pon me. I make them blood clot a call down my phone and a threaten me. You understand? Wanna come suck out my blood clot rotten teeth. Yeah. Come suck out my blood clot rotten teeth. Come suck the cavity. And that I want you come do. Blood clot stinking. Blood clot stinking. I make blood clot trouble with people. Me a trouble you? From what you make me talk about the situation. Wanna see me blood clot got trouble this blood clot, big lip blood clot, batty lip girl. Wanna see me the trouble this batty lip. Wanna see me the trouble this batty lip. Fuck on that chat about. You all I know why come take a set pan blood clot me. Eh? When you go to the stinking head Rasta boy, I make the Rasta boy no want you. I mean make the blood clot Rasta boy no want you. I no want you. So Dan said, who is that? What the fuck your chat say? Eh? Say me a blood clot auntie or mother of the pack, you a blood clot baby of the pack. Who you? You come talk about so good. Eh? You choke back for so good. You a blood clot choke back for so good. Choke back for suck hood. Choke back for suck hood. Your pussy done, your mouth blood clot done. Is that drum round and your blood clot choke back? Is that well round the girl? Where you talk about? Your pussy done, your mouth done. Shit up in the blood clot. Sit down and pick out the worm them one by one, make them walk. Worm them one by one, make them walk. Blood clot. No, when girl report me, girl go suck them mother. Wow, because me no jump cross the blood clot border. I become me no jump cross the blood clot border. Everybody feel like them can't come take a set pan blood clot, Annie. Eh? What I mean by you eat to come off? Come off. Can me tell you so when I come out here, so me I talk about this blood clot stinking girl because I don't trouble Ivany. I don't trouble Ivany. Ivany will report them on social media. Ivany whole blood clot report them on social media. Everything about you. They on social media. It don't make no sense talk about it. And me make blood clot how we no want you. And me make your blood clot baby father no want you drunk crow. You fuck out the whole of blood clot Jamaica. You fuck out the whole of blood clot Jamaica. You take on foreign now. Eh? And the foreign man them still no want your pussy. Look how dear you is. Look how dear your blood clot is. You fuck out the whole of blood clot Jamaica, me girl. Ghana foreign and the foreign man them still no want your blood clot pussy stinking girl. Yeah, them a refuse it. Talk truth now. Talk blood clot truth. So when a class a blood clot class. When me a auntie or sister, remember that. Yeah. None of my opinion them on Instagram are so cold. And none of my opinion them on Instagram are fuck. Yeah. None of my blood clot opinion them on Instagram are blood clot fuck stinking orange girl. That me I make you know. Who is you? Who is blood clot you? Eh? When me no care if nobody up here so want be a hypocrite. Me not trouble blood clot Vani. I'm not gonna make Vani continue to tear my blood clot down. Day in and day blood clot out. You understand me? Day in and day out. Move your blood clot, you gonna your blood clot, you're gonna find go and gonna blood clot friend go fight over a man when I want you. Eh? Fuck you take this for. Hey girl, go suck your mother and go over there so big stinking whore. Yeah. Big thinking blood clot whore. Go over there so. You want big like a toilet. You want big like a toilet. Big stinking dirty girl. Go over blood clot there so Ivany go suck your mother. Mother. That me a blood clot tell you. Go and suck your mother. You come with your whole blood clot crew. Cause I'm not afraid that you and blood clot blame them. Shit in a blame them mouth. You think no blood clot. You come talk about me blood clot a rob. You see me a rob blood clot people? You see me a rob people, I avoid you. Me avoid you. You watch me now. Me avoid you. Me never blood clot trouble you. You understand me? You take a blood clot set for me. What? Because you shoot for me? And because you shoot for me? Me a blood clot trouble you go talk about say me a rob people blood clot money. You see me a rob people money? You help the woman and me help the blood clot woman. Miss Triple help the woman. Jabbas help the woman. Candy help the blood clot woman. So why you come back on the blood clot woman where you help with our pitney? You is a blood clot snake. That is what you is. You is a snake. I mean, not like no blood clot girl lick a next woman when them down. That me say, I'm going to stand by it. Yeah. Me not like no blood clot bad mind girl. When you see Rose down, or when Rose wrong. But bitch, you didn't wait pan it for kick Rose. And at that my blood clot say, you didn't dwell pan it. I'm not like a bad mind blood clot bitch. We sit down and wait pan a people blood clot don't fault. And at that me say about you. What? Do what you want to do. Send who you want send. At that me say I'm not take it back. So send who you want blood clot send. Just send blood clot request. From me you argue. Me not unfollow you. Me make it stay there so same way. Me never talk about the situation. And me not come out here and trouble you. And when you have blood clot say you call CDA pa me, you call police pa me bitch. Me not look pan you over them. Me allow you alone. You get up and come talk about me a blood clot scammer. Go suck your mother. If me a scam, I would have got scam a good pussy tongue for you. Or go scam a blood clot lip. That more that go do with your skin up blood clot batty lip. Batty lip blood clot bitch. I don't give a fuck what you wanna do. I don't give a fuck what Ivany want to do. She not blood clot add with me. Because me know the extent. Me know what she want. And me know what she a build up. Me know exactly what Ivany a build up. Because me and Ivany don't have nothing. The Ivany continue to fuck around me. You get me? She can't tell lies say me a cuss her pitney. Me never did not cuss her pitney. Why would I cuss blood clot baby eyes? Where all the way I watch on social media and love. Eh? And she come out here so come tell people about a blood clot things. She talk about, oh, my pitney suck out like blood clot dog. Eh? I don't want to come tell me, say me for easy my blood clot self. You was not a friend from beginning. You were never a blood clot friend from beginning. Lovely, big up yourself. I don't give a fuck what you want to say. You think say you can boots me and do anything what I want to do. I dep on my stream and I open my mouth and I talk anything what I want to talk. None of you can tell me what to do. None of you. Oh. We help the lady. We get back for the lady because the lady's son have sickle cell. That is the problem. Right? We go around and we get help for her. Jabba's help her. Miss Triple help her. Candy help her. There's a lot of more people who help her. And she gets through and she's going away to do what she have to do. All me I do is send out my prayer to her. Nothing more. Anybody who want to say me a scammer, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Who she want to tell people say me a scammer, me a this, me a that. Look on you a call people scammer where you a big blood clot thief. Where you walk around and thief people blood clot account. Eh? You forgot about yourself? You come call me blood clot thief. You can't call me blood clot scammer. Thief in blood clot gal. Eh? Careless like our mama. Careless just like our mama and careless like you stinking girl for in my comment section there you saw watch me. Yeah, where you in my face. Careless like our big pussy mama. Yeah. Yeah, Chrissy, me alright. Wanna feel like so, you can't blood clot bully me? Stinking blood clot girl. You is a bad mind bitch. You can't deal with a man for your month. A bad mind, your bad mind blood clot Rosalie, I'ma tell you the truth. You hear me tell you? A bad mind, your blood clot, bad mind Rosalie, I'ma tell you the blood clot truth and argument done. Oh. You there with a man long enough? Not even a 1 month blood clot relationship you have? Eh? Go suck your mother. Me say, Chrissy, me not trouble the blood clot, girl. I don't trouble the stinking blood clot, big old blood clot, cesspoon old girl. Me not trouble stinking pussy Ivany. I don't trouble blood clot, stinking run old Ivany. Ivany blood clot a trouble me. You understand? You think one of them a go over there so go tell her the truth, say Ivany leave the woman alone because the woman not trouble you? None of them now go tell blood clot Ivany the truth. Girl was suck batty man cocky, you can't chat to me. You can't blood clot chat to me, bitch. Oh, man was girl like you was suck batty man or. Yeah. Are you alone in a room with 2 batty man and fuck junker under extra sick? Why? Stinking blood clot girl. You all shit up no blood clots. And on me, look here, you need to go get rid of the teeth them in your pussy. That you need to go do. Go and get rid of the teeth them out of your pussy. Your pussy name teeth. And on me make your pussy a bite the blood clot rasta boy. Fuck your chatbot. You should have not you should never have fuck around me. Because me never did not fuck around you. Me dey over here so, me a struggling in my look a piece of house. And me na blood clot fuck around your thinking girl. Me na fuck around your lip. Me na fuck around your body lip Vanya, you know that. You understand me? You just a look blood clot attention. Me na blood clot fuck around you. So me don't know the reason why your blood clot come fuck around me. Eh? I know me make your blood clot mouth lip skin up like a cow pussy. Eh? Go talk to the doctor where you go to. Go and check your doctor. I know me make your blood clot lip skin up like a cow blood clot pussy. Your mouth lip skin up like when cow take fuck. Your blood clot mouth lip skin up like when cow take fuck. Your mouth lip look like when cow pussy blister. Yeah. Your mouth lip look like when cow take a backers and the pussy blister and a blood clot and swell up. Go ahead, stinking girl, with your body blood clot lip. Body lip blood clot Ivany. Body blood clot lip Ivany. Yeah, you me a chat. Fuck you take this thing for. Eh? Fuck you take this thing for. Instead of your blood clot cause me go link your doctor. The time your doctor take for go do the body, tell him for do the pussy. Yeah. Tell the doctor for fix your pussy and fix your hole. Make them transform it. Come here, so no one come style blood clot people. When you not cuss about my mouth, I'm tired of seeing my teeth. Hey, come suck up my blood clot cavity, girl. I want to see you. Come suck up my blood clot cavity. Anything your blood clot chat say. Right back at you. That me I tell you. When pussy ugly, it good. Yeah. When pussy ugly, it good. You have a pretty pussy. That good? Anything too pretty never good. Anything too blood clot pretty never good, girl. Move your blood clot and go. Where you go class me with? Everything where them put on blood clot social media, I see that already. I'm still there, so I'm not gonna blood clot way. I know who me is. I know who me blood clot is. So anything you run come with on social media, I already out there. So what else you can blood clot come with, Ivany? Tell me now. You run send people blood clot come about them for come call my phone. Where blood clot use to take it so personal. The 7 match lick you in your head. The 7 round a match will lick you in your head and you lose. And that is your blood clot problem. You can't take blood clot loses. That is your problem because me you don't have nothing for your blood clot the my name. Yeah. Can't take blood clot loses, girl. And that is your problem because me not do you nothing. Me not do your blood clot nothing. You run a come but you want to send me request. Because suck your mother, block me. Block me. Because me not give you the excitement where you want. You not blood clot get that. You see blood clot diamond with our man, you there over there pray. You fuck the man friend. Big stinking bitch. You talk about my pitney. You see diamond with our man. You see Rosalie going with herself. You over there watch the boy. The boy no want to see you. You fuck the boy friend. Eh? You and the boy in a relationship and you go left and fuck the boy blood clot friend. You act like you love man more than me. You love man more than me, Ivany? Or you move like you love man more than me, so. And me say national anthem for man. And me say blood clot national anthem for man. You going like you love man more than me. Move your blood clot and go thinking, girl. Who you? Our followers them can go back over there so to her. Me not in no chatting with nobody. Me not in no chatting with no blood clot body. So she feel like she can come over here so come take a blood clot set for me. A problem in this blood clot, yeah. And she a go shame. You see the lady where we help out, guys? We now go see what's going on with the lady. You see the help and the blessing when you come over here so come bless the woman. Eh? For the woman take care of her son. Me say, we now go see what go on. I want she did one blood clot Akeem. Because you never know. I want she did one blood clot Akeem when she see Rose in the drop top. And she see Rose I get cute up. And she see Rose I get nice up. She get bad mind. I want she want blood clot Akeem. She don't stop watching and be jealous. Move your blood clot and go with your stinking head rasta. Yeah. Boy, Rasta boy, thief your blood clot phone. Eh? He should have moved the blood clot house with you in it. But the boy thief and I cut up the boy blood clot. You say the boy should have moved the blood clot house with you in it. And that the boy should have blood clot do. Fuck you know. Look at me. Anyway, me dem comfortable. Comfortable. If I'm mackerel, me I eat me comfortable and me good. Anything, anyway, me dem me comfortable and good. Me no bad mind people. You understand me? I'm in no trouble and me keep on tell you that. You understand me? Me keep on tell you I don't trouble Ivany. Ivany, somebody will come over here and shoot for me and give me a push. After the girl blood clot friend me, no the girl come and drag me just because I don't agree with her and things. Eh? Every day she want to open up people blood clot business. You can't talk about people family curse. You can't talk about people curse. Your pussy curse. Your pussy curse. When you talk about curse, look up in your big thinking hole and you find the blood clot curse. That you figure blood clot find. The curse up in your big stinking church out blood clot cesspool hole. The curse they up there. Hey, black that stinking bitch a feminine because bitch look like she don't have no ear. Yeah, black that big stinking gal. Hey, me